Welcome to Innovation Space. Today we will make Tesla coil. A Tesla coil is a coil with which you can glow any CFL or fluorescence tube from a distance. So let's make Tesla coil. To make Tesla coil, we require one transistor 2222, one resistance of 22K, one printed circuit board. Those circuit details are given in a description box. One 9-volt battery with connector, one coil with 250 turns mounted on a PVC pipe, one 6-inch by 6-inch board, soldering iron and glue gun, a small piece of wire. So let's start building Tesla coil. Now this is our transistor 2222. If the cut face is facing you, the wire on right side is your collector, on your left, extreme left side is emitter, and the central one is base. This is our printed circuit board. On one side a circuit is printed, while on another side we will fix up the components. To fix up the component, first of all we will fix up transistor. Our transistor on this PCB like this. The cut surface should face toward this side because we want collector on this side. So we will fix this transistor like this. Now, transistor we have to fix like this. The cut face should face toward this side. After inserting this transistor, now turn it and give a twist to all these wire before fixing up. There is a provision of fixing LED also, but that is optional. So just resistance, you can use any side of resistance. Since there is no question of polarity, so just insert your resistance like this and give it twist also to the wire here. You also need one about 40 centimeter wire. So 40 centimeter wire you are going to insert in these two positions, here and here. So insert these 40 centimeter wire and give them twist like this, and here also. Okay. So now one more thing, we also need connector, 9-volt battery connector. The right side is a positive one and the black side is a negative one. So we are going to fix up the positive side on this end and the negative side on this hole. Okay. Now after doing all this exercise, we are going to solder all these points. So take a soldering iron and be careful. Since the connections are very close, we have to ensure that once while soldering, one point should not touch the another point. Let's solder this one first. Now this coil has two ends. We will peel out the insulation from both the ends using any cutter or abrasive paper. Just peel out the insulation from both ends. Now, for making Tesla coil, one end will be kept free while the other end we will fix up. This wire is for our primary coil. Now, the secondary coil, one end we will fix up here. Just insert it, give it a small turn, and again do soldering. Please ensure that insulation is removed, otherwise this will not conduct. Now this one is your primary coil and this is your secondary coil. Now this loose end of the wire, just give it a twist and give now 3 turn of the primary coil. 3 to 4 turn of the primary coil and apply tape. Take a piece of sellotape, and apply on this wire. Now fix up the battery connection and test it. You can see that it is glowing when we bring it close to the CFL light. Once it glows, you can fix. Okay. So after testing it, we will mount it on this board. Before we do that, we will cut off the extra wire. Now using glue gun, just apply a little bit of glue gun on the edges of this PVC pipe and fix it at one point. Now apply glue on the PCB also and reverse it and fix it. Now apply glue gun on the battery and fix it. So your Tesla coil is ready.